Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2020 Volvo S60 T5 Inscription in Pebble Grey Metallic with a blonde leather interior. This front-wheel drive sedan has less than 21,000 miles on it. The Inscription trim level means that you get all of that beautiful chrome on the outside, the nicer seats with more functionality and some nice details on the inside as well. 18-inch wheels. This has all the safety features. There's blind spot information system, cross traffic alert with auto braking, city safety with collision avoidance. That's the forward collision avoidance that detects pedestrians and large animals and cyclists as well, and it works at night because it's a radar-based system. This has keyless entry, and we'll pop the trunk from right here. Plenty of space in there. There's a pass-through as well. The Advanced package gives this car the 360-degree camera system, the pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, and the graphic heads-up display, which allows you to minimize looking away from the road. The upgraded Harmon and Kardon is part of the Inscription trim level. And this has memory seating for two. These seats are super comfortable. They have great lumbar support. Those side bolsters fill up and they hold you in. They are just really nice. And the bottom piece has that leg extension. Driftwood inlays are just beautiful with this blonde interior. And then that leather wrapped tailored dashboard, that's part of the Inscription trim level also. You get to see all the safety features listed every time you start up. Frameless auto dimming mirror, your control for your sunroof is right here, but it's really hot out, so I'm going to leave that closed. And you'll find this is your home screen. There are, if you see this little dot here, it'll indicate that there are actually 3 dots, and so you'll scroll through to find everything you need. So on this side, this is where you'll be able to access that sound experience, change it up a little bit. You can download whatever you like. This has Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Check your car status. If there's a problem with your tire pressure monitoring system or anything like that, it will show up here and it'll be hard to miss. Navigation is here. And then off to the left, you'll find the vehicle functions, and you can move these around as you'd like. If you like the camera to be up top, it's a lot easier to find when you're just driving. And then you can move these around too. If you want something out of the way, you're not interested, you can just move it down and get it out of your way. Change things up however you like it. And then if you drop this down, you'll find the settings, and everything under the sun that you can change up is right here. We'll go back. Change up your sound, your volumes for your systems. Well, if you are ready for a simply sophisticated sedan, this is stock number 6215A. You'll find a link in the description box below, and we're at portlandvolvo.com, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.